Okay, so let's have multiple choice number 23 and 24. So pinapakompute sa atin fringe benefit tax at total deductible expense. So, ang total fringe benefits na ibinigay sa employees is 1,200,000. Pero ang sa managers ay 20% lang. So, that's 240. So, yung 240 lang ang subject to fringe benefit tax. So, i-gross up natin yan by dividing it by 65%. So, you'll get the gross up monetary value of 369,231 multiplied by tax rate na 35%. Kaya, magkakaroon ka ng fringe benefit tax na 129,231. Continuing the analysis for the total deductible expense, paano naman siya computein? Yung gross up monetary value ng fringe benefit ng managers na 369,231, okay? Yun yung total na deductible. Na kasi ang deductible kasi ay yung tax at yung mismong expense. So, pag pinag-add mo yun yung gross up monetary value. I-add mo yung fringe benefit sa rack and file na 80% ng 1.2, which is 960. Wala pong fringe benefit tax doon, kaya yung 960 lang ang deductible. Kaya ang total deductible expense is 1,329,231.